In this tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-assign roles to new users that join your Discord server using the Dyno bot. Go to your Discord server and go to the server settings and go to roles and make sure you have a role created that you're going to be adding to each new user that joins your server. You can add a custom color, you can check the option that says display role members separately from online members, you can do whatever you want. Just know that this will apply to anyone who joins your server. Hit save and then go to your web browser, and we're going to be going to the Dyno bot's website. I'll have it linked in the description, but you can also just type in Google Dyno bot. The URL is also just dyno.gg. If it's your first time using Dyno, it's going to ask you to connect your Discord account. Just go through that process, and once you do that, you'll be on the Dyno dashboard. In the top right, click on Add to Server. Select your Discord server, click Continue. That'll bring up a bunch of checkboxes that just shows you the permissions that the Dyno bot will have in your server. Click Authorize, check the box. After that, the bot will be added to your server and you'll be brought to the dashboard for your server and the bot controls. Now, on the dashboard, scroll down until you see Auto Roles and click the Settings option. Select the role that you created that you want to be added to new users. There's also an option to add a delay. After you select your role, click the Add button and the command will be added to your Dyno bot, and from now on, if somebody new joins the server, they'll get the role that you selected. If a new user joins your server and you see that they haven't gotten the role, go into your server settings, go to Roles, and make sure that the Dyno role is above the role that you are trying to add. Once you do that, hit save, and the problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. To share your art, graphic design, cool video edits, or other creative projects, join my Discord server and post them in the creative channel. I also stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now I'm playing through The Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Get the I jumped, dude! I'm at like oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. Can I please get a heal? Where's the blue room? It's over. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.